What's up, ladies? I hope y'all looking good, feeling good, staying cute, and all that good stuff. It's your girl, Carrie M. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this wig to look like this and like this. She is very much giving body naturalistic goodness, okay? She's definitely looking like my hair. It didn't take much to get her like this either, and she's really freaking beautiful. I mean, I know you see it. So if you want to learn how I got it done and how I did it, definitely stick around and keep on watching. Today's video is sponsored by LuvMeHair, and they did send me over the 13x4 Kinky straight body wave wig. Now, it does have combs on the inside. You do get adjustable straps and an elastic band if you like to use that for your glueless looks. And the texture is just off the chain, okay? Now, immediately, I noticed that the hairline is lightly pre-plucked, okay? Very lightly pre-plucked. And then the unit is not fitting me as it should. It's a little bit small. I have a 22.5 circumference size head. Now, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Blow Dry It Thermal Smooth Cream. It's a heat protectant, and it gets the hair so freaking bomb, okay? It gets a nice, sleek, straight, and all that good stuff you want, and does tame a lot of the frizz. So I am going for a little silk press type of vibe. I just want the hair not to be so swelled and all of that stuff, because after I washed it, as you can see, its natural state is actually kinky straight, okay? So we don't have like the body wave texture and all of that. Once you wash the hair, it's completely gone. So I did notice that. But anyways, I will be adding some curls into this unit later. I find it's easier to do when you straighten out the hair. And as you can see, it has body and a lot of movement. So I did go in and I will be spraying this hair with the spray heat protectant version. That's really good if you're going to be using hot tools like a hot comb or curling iron, something like that, just so we can have extra protection for this part. Now I'm going in and I'm hitting up the roots 3 times to make sure I get those crinkles out, because it's really kinky up there in the root area. And then for the rest of the hair, I will be going down and just doing 2 passes. The more passes you do, the sleekier it will be. But I wanted to leave a little bit of body to the hair. The hair is very, very full, y'all. Very full, very silky. It moves. It's just everything. I absolutely love the texture on this hair. All right, y'all. So I definitely took my time with this unit, and I gave myself a pre-plucked hairline, and it was so fire. But I did notice as I was styling and blow drying the hair that the hair started literally falling out of the lace and leaving these bald spots up in the hairline area. So I don't appreciate that. Now the hair is moving and it's feeling and looking real good, but I decided to give it a nice little wrap, because y'all know how it goes when you do the wrap, okay? You put it in the wrap and the next day the hair flows and it's a much more silkier. That's what I was going for. So I hit it up with a wrap, and it came out really, really nice the next day, y'all. But anyways, the next day I was mad excited and mad hype. I was like, yes, girl, we're gonna be looking real cute in here. All right, so I'm noticing that hairline is really jacked up from the pieces of hair that was falling out. But I was like, go ahead and just cut it in the shape as what it is right now. So I did that, right? Later on, I will be cutting more into that hairline because it just doesn't look right, y'all. That is not cute at all. So I did have to do some changes to it. I didn't pre-plug it again because I ain't got time for that. And again, as I stressed before, this unit is a little too snug. Like when I tell you this wig is tight, baby, this wig is tight. Okay, tight, tight, tight. So if you have a big head, I don't know, you have to see if they have a bigger cap size. From what I see, I think this is average or medium. But I'm gonna tell you like this though, the hair, mad nice. The hair came out so silky, so smooth. It was flowing. It was so soft to the touch. Like this hair is everything. Now, I'm gonna tell you like this. The lace, y'all, it is a little light. So like I said, if you're somebody light skinned, this might work for you, but this is not going to work for me. I'm definitely gonna have to add some color to that because you can see the white cast, okay? So I went in with my MAC foundation and I went ahead and just patted that sucker up on there like I usually do. I use some powder, something like that. And then I'm going to set it with my setting spray so it's not chalky. And then I'm going to just set it with some of this hairspray so it doesn't move, so it sits in place, okay? So once I did that, the lace looked so much better, y'all, that you can't even tell the difference between my lace and my skin. So initially the plan was for me to do this unit glueless, but as much as the color looks good after I tinted it, it just doesn't lay as flat as I would like. And you can see a lot of the lace lifting up and sticking up. I don't know if it has anything to do with the thickness of the lace. It is get some thickness to it, or if it has something to do with the unit just being too small and me just forcing it on my head. So it was only fitting for me to go back and try to fix that hairline, because that little dip back right there is definitely not cute. Now, sometimes these wigs would trip you up and it will make you feel like this is your first time installing a wig. Like, yo, what did I do wrong here? But when I tell you this hairline was so flawless, it was flawless. I plucked it, was looking good, and then I co-washed the hair, blow dried it, flat ironed it, and then I noticed all these little hairs started coming out of the lace. So it definitely wasn't a me issue, but I was not about to pre-pluck this hairline again because it just took too much time and I definitely wasn't in the mood. But I mean, at the same time, hold up. This texture is so bomb. Like, is this not my hair? Girl. Gotta give credit where credit is due, and that texture is off the freaking wall. Now, I'm just doing my last touches for the straight look, at least, because I will be adding curls in later, but it's not much to do because most of the work was done on the mannequin head. I'll add my little powder and all of that stuff. And I'm gonna tell you like this, y'all, because you know I'm gonna keep it a buck every time. As much as I love the texture on this hair, how it's flowing and moving, how soft it is, how natural and realistic it looks, this hair sheds a whole lot. Okay, this hair sheds so much. It was shedding the entire time I styled this unit, from the flattening, the blow drying, even when it was on my head in these areas. It was just so much hair coming out. This hair, y'all, is so bomb on me. Okay, I gotta turn up a little bit because this hair doing it. I mean, look at this. It has body, it has movement. The texture is just giving everything. But y'all saw this throughout the entire video, so let's not act like you didn't know, because I know you know. Okay, I had to turn up one time because it's giving. My main thing with this unit is I just wish that lace was a little bit thinner so it could have melted a little bit better. I wish it was a little darker for me, and I wish the hairline wasn't balding on your girl, because if not, aside from her being a little small, she would have been like the perfect wig. Okay, she does hold a mean curl though, because she did come with curls. It's not really shocking me, but I honestly think that the curls look better than the straight. But y'all let me know in the comment section, do you prefer the curls or do you like her better straights? I mean, she was beautiful both ways, but I think the curls is really doing it for me. She's really doing it for me. The texture, the body, and y'all know you don't have to silk press her. So if you want a big full look, you can even go for that too. Like, this unit is versatile. She is very beautiful, y'all. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Everything will be listed in the description box. I'll see you later. Bye.